The melanin switch that controls gray hair. Activate it naturally. Are you watching your hair turn gray and wondering if there's a natural way to slow down or stop the process? What if I told you there's a melanin switch inside your hair follicles that controls whether your hair grows in pigmented or gray, and you can learn to activate it naturally? Most people accept gray hair as inevitable aging, but cutting-edge research reveals that the melanin switch in your melanocytes can be influenced by specific nutrients, lifestyle factors, and biological pathways you control. Your body has the ability to keep producing pigmented hair much longer than you think. Today, I'm revealing exactly how the melanin switch works and the science-backed strategies used to activate it naturally and potentially restore your hair's natural color. Stick around until the end, because I'll expose the biggest mistake that actually turns off your melanin switch even when you're doing everything else right. Here's what most people don't know about the melanin switch that controls gray hair. The melanin switch refers to the activation state of specialized cells called melanocytes located in your hair follicles that produce melanin pigment. Research from Cell magazine shows that melanocytes have molecular switches controlled by specific genes and signaling pathways that determine whether they actively produce melanin or become dormant, leading directly to gray versus pigmented hair growth. The mechanism involves melanocyte stem cells residing in the hair bulge region of each follicle, which must be activated during each hair growth cycle. Studies from NYU Langone Health reveal that these stem cells differentiate into mature melanocytes that migrate down to the hair bulb, where they inject melanin into developing hair shafts. When this melanin switch functions properly, your hair grows in its natural color. When the switch fails or turns off prematurely, hair grows in gray or white. Think about what happens at the cellular level during each hair growth cycle. Research demonstrates that your hair goes through phases including anagen for growth, catagen for transition, and telogen for resting before the old hair falls out and a new cycle begins. During each new anagen phase, melanocyte stem cells must be reactivated to produce pigment for the new hair. If these stem cells fail to activate properly, the melanin switch stays off and gray hair results. Here's the remarkable part about the melanin switch that gets really exciting. Studies published in Nature found that melanocyte stem cells can become stuck in the hair bulge instead of migrating to the bulb where melanin production occurs. This discovery revealed that gray hair isn't always about melanocytes dying, but rather about them being in the wrong location and unable to mature properly. The research showed that if scientists could help these stuck stem cells migrate correctly, pigment production could potentially resume. Research from Harvard Medical School demonstrates that the WNT signaling pathway acts as a master switch controlling melanocyte stem cell activation and differentiation. When WNT signaling is strong, melanocyte stem cells activate properly and produce melanin. When WNT signaling weakens with age or oxidative stress, the melanin switch progressively turns off, leading to gray hair. This isn't just theoretical. Studies show that boosting WNT signaling in animal models restored pigmentation to gray hair. Clinical studies have identified multiple molecular switches controlling melanin production. The transcription factor MITF acts as a master regulator activating genes necessary for melanocyte development and melanin synthesis. Research demonstrates that maintaining adequate MITF expression keeps the melanin switch turned on, while declining MITF levels contribute to premature graying. Tyrosinase enzyme activity represents another critical switch because this enzyme catalyzes the rate-limiting step in melanin production from the amino acid tyrosine. The first critical strategy for activating your melanin switch naturally involves flooding your body with powerful antioxidants that protect melanocytes from the oxidative damage that turns off melanin production. Research from multiple universities shows that oxidative stress is the primary driver of premature graying by damaging melanocyte DNA, proteins, and lipids until these cells can no longer function properly. The mechanism involves melanocytes being particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress because melanin synthesis itself generates reactive oxygen species as a byproduct. Studies reveal that your melanocytes produce hydrogen peroxide during melanin production, and this accumulates over time unless neutralized by antioxidant enzymes like catalase, superoxide dismutase, and glutathione peroxidase. Research demonstrates that as we age, these protective enzymes decline, allowing hydrogen peroxide to bleach hair from the inside out while damaging the melanin switch. Think about what happens when oxidative stress overwhelms your melanocytes' defenses. Research from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology shows that accumulated hydrogen peroxide not only bleaches existing melanin, but also damages the tyrosinase enzyme that's essential for new melanin production. This creates a vicious cycle where oxidative stress simultaneously destroys melanin and prevents new melanin synthesis, effectively forcing your melanin switch into the off position. Here's where it gets exciting for naturally reactivating your melanin switch. Studies demonstrate that consuming foods rich in catalase and other antioxidants can help neutralize the hydrogen peroxide and free radicals attacking your melanocytes. Research shows that catalase-rich foods including sweet potatoes, broccoli, spinach, cherries, and kale provide this crucial enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen. Glutathione represents your body's master antioxidant and plays a crucial role in protecting the melanin switch. Research reveals that melanocytes with high glutathione levels maintain better function and pigment production compared to those with depleted glutathione. Studies show that consuming sulfur-rich vegetables like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables along with whey protein helps maintain this critical antioxidant defense system. Vitamin C acts synergistically with glutathione to protect melanocytes while also being necessary for proper melanin synthesis. Research demonstrates that vitamin C neutralizes free radicals and serves as a cofactor for enzymes involved in melanin production. Studies show that people with adequate vitamin C intake from citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens maintain better hair pigmentation compared to those who are deficient. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the melanin switch that controls gray hair better, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about understanding your hair health naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The second powerful strategy involves ensuring your body has all the specific nutrients required for melanin synthesis, because your melanin switch cannot activate without the raw materials necessary for pigment production. Research clearly shows that nutritional deficiencies represent major contributors to premature graying by starving melanocytes of essential building blocks and cofactors they need. The mechanism involves melanin synthesis being a complex biochemical process requiring specific nutrients at each step. Studies reveal that the amino acid tyrosine serves as the starting material for melanin. Copper acts as a cofactor for tyrosinase enzyme that converts tyrosine into melanin precursors, and B vitamins, particularly B12, B9, and B6, support the methylation and enzyme reactions necessary for melanocyte function. Think about how nutritional deficiencies sabotage your melanin switch even when stem cells and signaling pathways are intact. Research from the International Journal of Trichology demonstrates that copper deficiency alone can cause premature graying because without adequate copper, tyrosinase enzyme cannot function regardless of how much tyrosine is available. It's like having a car with a full gas tank but a dead battery. All the raw materials are present, but the critical catalyst is missing. Here's the remarkable part about correcting nutritional deficiencies to reactivate melanin production. Multiple case studies document partial reversal of gray hair after correcting severe deficiencies of B12, copper, iron, or vitamin D through supplementation and dietary changes. Research shows that while results vary based on how long deficiency existed and extent of melanocyte damage, some people experience new pigmented hair growth within 3 to 6 months of nutritional correction. Copper deserves special attention because studies show it's directly involved in melanin synthesis as a tyrosinase cofactor. Research demonstrates that copper-rich foods, including shellfish, especially oysters, liver, mushrooms, nuts, and seeds, provide this essential mineral. Studies found that people consuming adequate copper maintain better hair pigmentation compared to those with suboptimal intake. B vitamins, especially B12, folate, and B6, support melanocyte metabolism and the methylation processes necessary for gene expression controlling melanin production. Research shows these vitamins work synergistically, and deficiency in any of them can impair melanocyte function. Studies demonstrate that consuming B vitamin-rich foods, including eggs, fish, poultry, leafy greens, and legumes, helps maintain melanin switch activation. Protein intake matters because melanin production requires adequate amino acids, particularly tyrosine. Research shows that insufficient protein intake can limit melanin synthesis even when other nutrients are adequate. Studies demonstrate that consuming quality proteins from animal or plant sources provides the amino acids necessary for optimal melanocyte function. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about activating the melanin switch naturally to prevent gray hair. The third critical strategy involves optimizing specific lifestyle factors, including stress management, sleep quality, and avoiding toxins, because research clearly shows these factors directly influence whether your melanin switch stays activated or shuts down prematurely. Studies demonstrate that chronic stress, poor sleep, and environmental toxins all accelerate graying through multiple biological pathways. The mechanism involves chronic stress elevating cortisol levels, which research shows depletes antioxidant reserves, increases oxidative stress, and impairs nutrient absorption necessary for melanocyte function. Studies from Harvard reveal that stress activates the sympathetic nervous system, which releases norepinephrine that damages melanocyte stem cells and forces them to differentiate prematurely. This depletes the stem cell pool needed for long-term pigment production, essentially burning out your melanin switch faster. Think about the visible impact of extreme stress on hair pigmentation. Research documented cases of rapid graying following traumatic events, severe illness, or periods of intense chronic stress. Studies show this occurs because stress hormones directly damage melanocytes, while simultaneously depleting the nutrients and antioxidants these cells need to survive. Your melanin switch becomes collateral damage in your body's stress response. Here's where it gets important for protecting your melanin switch long-term. Studies demonstrate that implementing stress management techniques, including meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and regular exercise, significantly reduces cortisol and oxidative stress markers. Research shows that people who practice consistent stress management maintain better overall health, including potentially better hair pigmentation compared to those living with chronic unmanaged stress. Sleep quality profoundly impacts your melanin switch through multiple pathways. Research shows that during deep sleep, your body performs critical cellular repair and antioxidant regeneration that protects melanocytes. Studies demonstrate that chronic sleep deprivation increases oxidative stress and accelerates aging processes throughout your body, including in hair follicles. People who consistently get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep maintain better cellular function compared to those who are chronically sleep deprived. Smoking represents one of the most damaging lifestyle factors for your melanin switch. Research demonstrates that smoking dramatically increases oxidative stress while simultaneously depleting antioxidants, including vitamin C and glutathione. Studies show that smokers gray prematurely compared to non-smokers, with some research finding smokers are 2 to 4 times more likely to have premature graying before age 30. The biggest mistake that actually turns off your melanin switch, even when you're doing everything else right, is consuming high amounts of sugar and processed foods that create chronic inflammation and oxidative stress throughout your body, including in hair follicles. Here's the critical truth most people miss. Refined carbohydrates and added sugars generate more oxidative stress than almost any other dietary factor, while simultaneously depleting the nutrients your melanocytes need to function. The mechanism involves sugar consumption spiking blood glucose and insulin, which research shows triggers inflammatory pathways and generates advanced glycation end products. Studies demonstrate that these harmful compounds called AGEs accumulate in tissues throughout your body, including hair follicles, where they create oxidative stress, damage proteins and DNA, and impair cellular function. Research reveals that high-sugar diets accelerate aging processes at the cellular level, forcing your melanin switch into the off position prematurely. Think about the compounding effects of a high-sugar processed food diet on your melanin switch. Research shows that refined carbohydrates and sugars not only generate oxidative stress directly, but also deplete B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants that your body uses to metabolize these foods. Studies demonstrate that people consuming high-sugar diets have lower levels of protective nutrients and higher levels of inflammatory markers compared to those eating whole food diets. Here's what makes this particularly damaging for melanocyte health. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria in your gut, which research shows impairs nutrient absorption and generates inflammatory compounds. Studies demonstrate that gut inflammation from poor diet reduces your ability to absorb the very nutrients, including B12, iron, and zinc that your melanin switch needs to stay activated. You create a vicious cycle where poor diet simultaneously damages melanocytes and prevents absorption of nutrients needed to protect them. The solution for protecting your melanin switch and reversing gray hair naturally is dramatically reducing refined carbohydrates, added sugars, and processed foods while focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods. Research shows that people who adopt anti-inflammatory diets rich in vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and quality proteins have significantly lower oxidative stress and inflammation markers. Studies demonstrate that this dietary approach provides the antioxidants and nutrients necessary for optimal melanocyte function while eliminating the primary source of cellular damage. Another critical mistake is using harsh chemical hair treatments, including bleaching and frequent coloring that generate oxidative stress directly in hair follicles. Research shows these treatments damage hair structure while also harming melanocytes and contributing to premature graying. Studies demonstrate that minimizing chemical treatments helps preserve melanocyte health and keeps your melanin switch functional longer. If this video helped you understand the melanin switch that controls gray hair and how to activate it naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this science-backed information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you understand and improve your hair naturally.